When you get 0 views or a few hundred views, you think the problem is in my short video, but actually it's not, because you upload shorts the wrong way. YouTube doesn't send your shorts to the shorts feed. So in this video, I will cover some crucial topics like the right way to upload shorts, where to upload, mobile or PC, which hashtags to use, whether to write a description, whether to leave the tag section blank, and the perfect time for uploading shorts. You can upload shorts from the YouTube app, Chrome browser, or YT Studio, but when you upload from the Chrome browser in desktop mode, you can choose a custom thumbnail, but can't add a trending song. So I will not upload from any browser or desktop. I will use the YouTube mobile app and YT Studio. Here, just press the plus button and upload your shorts. But this is a big mistake people make. Don't do it. Before uploading any short, go to the Play Store and check if the YouTube app and YT Studio have updates. If an update is available, you must update it. This is crucial. Check every time before uploading. In the YouTube app, press the plus button, click Add, select the video you want to upload, wait a moment for processing, then click Done. On the right side, you will see a few options, but right now I will not use them. Now I am going to add sound to the shorts. I will add a viral song because YouTube promotes shorts that have viral songs. Click the Adjust button. By default, your audio will be disabled, but you can adjust it as you want. Then click the right sign, then click Next. Add your custom thumbnail. Click the pencil button at the top left corner. Most YouTubers use the most eye-catching moment from their shorts as the thumbnail, because an attractive thumbnail grabs attention and increases clicks. If your video doesn't have a standout moment, no worries. Just add a catchy image or visual at the end of your shorts video, around 0.3 seconds. Then select that frame as your thumbnail. For YouTube Shorts titles, keep them short and catchy. Always begin your title with 2 strong, relevant keywords. For example, iPhone 16, hidden feature, because when viewers scroll, they often only notice the first 2 words. If they are relevant and eye-catching, viewers are much more likely to click. Pro tip, write those first 2 keywords in all capital letters. You can also use an emoji at the end of your title. Just make sure it relates to your content. Use only hashtag shorts in your title. Don't use other hashtags because YouTube may detect them as spam. After writing the title, don't publish it yet. Keep visibility unlisted. Then click the Upload Shorts button. Do not leave the description blank, even if viewers rarely read it, because the YouTube algorithm does. A well-written description plays a big role in SEO. After uploading, go to the YT Studio app, select your unlisted short, click the pencil button, add a description. Start with a concise sentence summarizing your short. Then add 5 to 6 keywords from vidIQ or YouTube search. Use a comma after every keyword, then add 4 to 5 hashtags. The first 2 hashtags should be #shorts and #viral shorts, and the remaining 2 to 3 should relate to your video topic. In more options, add tags. Shorts and viral shorts are recommended, plus a few tags about your video topic, your channel niche, and your channel name. Choose the category according to your video. Uncheck the option to show how many viewers liked your video. For shorts remixing, select Allow Video and Audio Remixing. Set visibility to public and click Save. The best time to upload shorts is at unconventional hours, like 1 a.m., which can yield higher views due to reduced competition and global reach. Friday evening through Sunday afternoon is usually the sweet spot, because people are more likely to scroll for fun during that time. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.